Hey, in this video, we'll be talking about why you should participate in Takaful when you're young. Cha-ching! So what is Takaful? Takaful is a type of Islamic insurance where members contribute money into a pool system to share the risk against loss. Compared to a conventional insurance policy where the risk is being passed on to the operator, risk is shared by everyone under Takaful. Even if you're young and healthy, you may want to consider getting a Takaful plan sooner rather than later, and here are 7 reasons why. Reason number 1. Cost and affordability. If you participate in Takaful when you're young, you can lock in lower contribution rates and reduce the amount you will spend on Takaful coverage for the period of your lifetime. As you grow older, your contribution rates will also increase if you didn't lock in that lower contribution rate when you were younger. So the older you get, the higher your contribution rates will increase every year. Even if you chose a basic Takaful plan that covers a single person when you're younger, and then later on you want to upgrade to a more comprehensive coverage for you and your family, your contributions may still be lower than if you had waited and only participated in Takaful later on with that comprehensive plan. So if you want to get the most value out of your Takaful coverage, then find a suitable plan and lock in your contribution rates as early as you can. Reason number 2, more coverage and options. The younger and healthier you are, the more options you have when it comes to finding a suitable Takaful plan that suits your needs. Because the coverage for these plans become more limited as you grow older and possibly develop health conditions. For example, if you get Takaful when you're older and you've already developed a health problem, like let's say for example chronic back pain because you sit on the office in front of the computer too much, then your treatment for that chronic back pain may be excluded from your Takaful plan. Your Takaful application may also be rejected if you suffer from any pre-existing health problems. Whereas if you're young and healthy, your chances of getting rejected are significantly lower. Also, if you've reached a certain age, Takaful providers may require you to undergo a medical exam to find out if you have any pre-existing health conditions before you sign up for the plan. But if you apply when you're young and healthy, most likely you won't have to go through these medical exams and you can sign up for these policies online, which is a lot more convenient. Plus, you don't have to spend extra to get a medical exam before you apply for your plan. So if you want to get the best coverage and options in your Takaful plan, sign up early before you develop any health problems. Reason number 3, no claim bonuses. If you don't make any claims within the coverage period, you will get a certain amount of cashback from your Takaful provider. And the longer you own a Takaful plan which is not claimed, the more you will get in no-claim bonuses and benefits. These benefits include cashback, medical checkup, and many other benefits depending on your plan. So even if you don't make a claim from your Takaful provider because you're young and healthy, you can still compound the benefits of owning a Takaful plan which you can use later on when you need it. Reason number 4, waiting periods. The waiting period is the amount of time that has to pass before your coverage can begin. Think of it as a warm-up period before your Takaful plan actually kicks in and starts working. The period can take anywhere from 90 days to 2 years depending on your plan. So if you got a Takaful plan yesterday and you get into an accident tomorrow, then you may not be covered because your Takaful coverage hasn't kicked in. And this defeats the purpose of having medical coverage in the first place, and it can be very inconvenient. If you sign up for a Takaful plan earlier, however, you're protecting your future self from the chance of being in that waiting period when an emergency happens. So you don't have to worry about your medical coverage when you really need it. Reason number 5, protection against invincible attitude. When you're young, you're more likely than ever to feel like you're invincible and you can take anything that life throws at you. For example, you're more likely to travel, play sports, and do certain high-risk activities when you're young, like climbing Mount Kinabalu. And owning a Takaful plan gives you the ability to do those things without having to worry about the medical costs if anything were to happen. This can have a significant benefit because if you're not doing the things that you want to do because you're afraid of the medical costs that may happen if something goes wrong, then you'll take less risks, you won't do the things you want to do, and you might regret it in the future. You shouldn't be reckless just because you have a Takaful plan or medical coverage, but knowing that your medical cost is covered should anything happen gives you the peace of mind to go and do the thing that you've always wanted to do. Your 20s and 30s is most likely the time where you'll do all the crazy things you've always wanted to do. So protect yourself with a Takaful plan and go out there and do it. Reason number 6, it promotes a healthy lifestyle. When you spend money on your health making Takaful contributions every month, you may find yourself living a healthier lifestyle by choice because you've already invested in your health and well-being. Some Takaful plans even reward you for living a healthy lifestyle like exercising and buying healthy food. Medical checkups may also be included in your Takaful plan because it's in the incentive of the Takaful provider to diagnose any health problems you have early. So setting aside money every single month to contribute to your Takaful plan not only protects you medically, but it also plants the idea in your mind that you are responsible for taking care of your own health, which is a good mindset to have when you're young. Reason number 7, Forced health savings. Making monthly contributions to your Takaful plan is like saving money every month for a medical emergency. You need to save up for medical costs anyway, but a Takaful plan is a more efficient way to do it because you and other people in the Takaful plan agree to help each other financially. This means you will have access to a bigger sum of money to fund your medical costs than the money you actually save as an individual. So not only will contributing to your Takaful plan make you save for future medical costs, it also allows you to leverage other people's money to fund your health expenses, which is a smarter and more efficient savings plan. If you want to learn more about Takaful in a fun and simple way, check out FWD Takaful's Komuniti Kita game. Komuniti Kita is a fun and accessible mobile game designed for players to learn about Takaful and financial management. The main theme of Komuniti Kita emphasizes the values of mutual assistance and community care, which allows players to experience the spirit of Takaful. The game has been designed to be engaging and suitable for players across all ages and backgrounds, and the maps are built based on Malaysia's landscapes. You can also win prizes like AirPods, iPads, and keyboards by playing the game from now until the 5th of January 2022, and we'll leave more information on exactly how to win these prizes in the description. The gameplay you see right now is actually me playing the game myself, and I felt that it was both entertaining and educational. So download the Komuniti Kita app now. It's available on iOS and Android. So you know the saying, sediakan payung sebelum hujan? It means prepare your umbrella before it rains. And this is perfect in the context of Takaful because the best time to get a Takaful plan is when you're young and healthy and you think you don't need it. When you already have health problems and you realize you need a Takaful plan, then it might already be too late and you have to bear the extra costs and inconveniences. I hope this video has given you valuable information on why you should consider having a Takaful plan when you're young. If it has, make sure to hit that like button so that this video can be seen by more people. I'll see you in the next one.